Hello, this is Hockey 2 with me. Okay, let's do some moves again. Okay, now I'm going to do the wraparound. This is what the wraparound looks like. You have to be on that, look. You're around the nets, right? You have to have the puck reaching the ball. I know you play hockey, but play ball hockey. And look, this is the way you do the ball around it. And you have to be super fast. Like this. You have to go like this around the goal. Go super fast so you can beat the goalie. And yeah. Okay, now let's do a centering pass. The player's here. He centers to you. You shoot it and you try to score. Okay? Now it'll be something like this. Centering pass scores. Or something like this. Now do a cross crease pass or a crisscross, I don't know. You do this for cross creasing a lot. They pass it through a cross ice pass. And yeah, cross ice, cross crease, that's what we call it. So I call it too. Okay, now, so it should be something like this. Should be, I'm right-handed, but you can pass it to this, like this. So it should be something like this. That's how it should look like. Really fast, like this. Oh, something like this. And the super high backhand. It's good. So yeah, those are all the moves for number 2. Bye.